Horseweed is an aggressive plant that grows throughout the United States. A single plant can produce over 200,000 seeds in its lifetime. As a winter and summer annual, horseweed grows in a variety of conditions, allowing it to easily overtake turf and other desirable plants. In this video, we'll show you how to identify horseweed, how to control it on your property, and how to prevent it from coming back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Other names for horseweed include mare's tail, Canadian horseweed, and Canadian fleabane. After emerging, horseweed develops as a basal rosette. The leaves are lance-shaped with toothed margins. At maturity, horseweed will grow to be 1 to 8 feet tall. It shoots up one slender stem that's covered in hairs. Leaves grow directly out from the stem in an alternating arrangement. They grow up to 4 inches long and 10 millimeters wide with very shallow toothed edges. At bloom, the upper portion of the stem produces panicle flower heads with very small, pea-sized flowers. The flowers are white to slightly pink in color and somewhat resemble daisies. Eventually, flowers become puffy, dandelion-like seed heads. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Horseweed grows best in bare, human-disturbed soil that sees full sunlight. Common sites include lawns, ornamental landscaping and gardens, roadsides, and agricultural land. Horseweed germinates during the fall and during spring, so it grows both as a winter and summer annual weed. When seeds germinate in fall, they develop into rosettes that survive throughout winter. Come spring, they shoot up stems to complete their life cycles. When seeds germinate in spring, they grow rapidly and complete their life cycles in just spring alone. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of horseweed already established on your property, apply post-emergent systemic herbicides. In areas with warm season turf, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. Spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.2 ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer. To enhance this product, mix in a surfactant like Nanotech. Nanotech is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. If you have weeds growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-diamine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. With your solution, spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-diamine range from 21 to 30 days. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent new weeds from germinating, apply a pre-emergent herbicide like Prodoxaben G. Prodoxaben G Pre-Emergent Herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turfgrass species, you'll apply 1.7 to 8.4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least ½ an inch of water. Make applications before horseweed seeds would sprout. Most applications will last 3 to 8 months, depending on the rate and region. After applying pre-emergent, continue with integrated vegetation management to maintain your property's health. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning, so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of horseweed on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.